Baby, look. Hi, guys. Hi, Kyle. Are you gonna join mommy today?
Yeah,
What are we doing? We're going to make cookies.
yeah, it is egg.
With an egg? Yeah, with an egg.
Hi, this is our family vlog, the Mitras, Dawn, Joycey, Kion. Here in our channel, we will share our kind of thing, our adventures, travels, stories, reviews, playtime with Kion, tips and ideas about everything that is a thing for us. If it's the same thing for the person that you are, we hope to inspire and be of positive influence to you. Meet the Mitz!
Hi, guys. So today, I'm going to make another cookies. This time, it's triple chocolate chunk cookies. And I'm with Kayan! Yay!
Let's do things together and subscribe!
Are you ready, Kayan?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. Let's tell them what's the ingredients. Okay, so for our ingredients, we have
And it is
melted butter,
the butter,
yeah, and cocoa powder,
cocoa butter,
all right, and then flour,
and the flour, and the
Okay.
flour,
okay, and
and
the flour. We have 2 cups, and baking soda, and beside the baking soda is ground coffee
this hot cocoa
powder.
butter,
Okay, you start. This is butter.
whoa, so big,
Yeah. And this is
small,
small. And what is this?
ice cream,
No.
sand,
No, it's cocoa powder.
cocoa butter,
Yeah. And this one is baking soda. Guys, ilalagay ko na lang later yung quantity ng bawat ingredients. Also, I will put it in the description box.
A drinking
And
box.
this is
This is
ground coffee.
ground coffee.
Yeah, but they can also use 3-in-1 coffee. Medyo mas madami lang. Sugar. And we have 2 eggs because 2 cups of flour yung ginamit ko. Medyo mas madami kasi kung gusto kong gawing cookies today. So, dinagdagan ko yung ingredients. Just look at it, guys. Later, yung quantities. Okay. And of course, nuts. And I'm using today walnut. Last time, di ba, I've used almonds. But this time, I'm using walnuts. And eto na, guys. Eto na ang prinsesa ng cookies. Okay? So, the reason why it's called triple chocolate chunk because I'm using this one is milk chocolate, 42% milk chocolate from Auro. Yan. And this one is 64% dark chocolate. O, diba? Pinaghalo yung dark and yung milk chocolate. And I'm also gonna be using white chocolate coins. Yan. I will put that on top of our cookies. O, diba? So, we will make triple
Whoa.
chocolate cookies. Are you ready, Kayan?
Yeah.
Okay. Shall we
Yeah.
start?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, Kayon, let's put on the pan our brown sugar. Okay?
Brown sugar.
Yeah. And our butter, melted butter. Yan, the melted butter.
Melting.
And our Cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder.
Yeah. The cocoa powder.
And
What else are we going to put?
egg.
Yeah, later the egg. Okay.
And
Let's mix this.
yeah. Sense.
And we're going to mix it. Kion, we're going to mix it. Are you enjoying it, Kion?
Yeah.
Wow, very nice. Okay, let's now put this one. What's this?
Egg.
Good job. We're going to put the eggs. Okay, mix it again. Wow, very nice, Kion. Good job, Kion. You're doing it. Okay. Wow, mix it more. Yeah, you're gonna be doing more mixing. Okay.
I did flour there.
Yeah, let mommy do it for you.
I did. No.
Let mommy do it for you. Ah, it will be mommy now. It will be mommy's turn now. Ah, okay. Do you want to do it yourself again? Okay. Mix it well. Okay. Mix it well, darling. Good job. Tadan, yeah, you're doing it right.
Whoa.
Okay, now it's mommy's turn again.
Turn again.
Yeah, so I think it's
Pink.
okay now. We don't have to overmix it.
Yeah.
So we're going to set this aside. Yan, okay. Oh, by the way, guys, I have Auro products here.
Be popcorn.
Because meron silang sale yesterday.
It's
Especially for employees of the group. So, yan.
Yan.
We got that super mura. And I'm using nga pala, guys, Dutch cocoa powder premium alkalized cocoa powder.
Tasty.
And it says country of origin Amsterdam, the Netherlands.
Is it very tasty?
And, I so love this cocoa
Okay,
powder. Gamit namin siya pag nag-chocolate for Kion.
Ooh.
So we're going to use that also in these cookies. We are now going to do the dry ingredients. We're going to mix the dry ingredients, Kion.
Yeah.
We're going to mix the dry ingredients. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Happy birthday.
Okay, Kion. You
Flour.
put on the, what's this?
Flour.
Good job, flour. All right. And we're going to put on the, what's this? Coffee. Ground coffee.
Ground coffee.
All right, all right.
Ah, brown.
Okay,
Right.
and we're going to add this baking soda.
Baking soda.
Okay.
Whoa, I need baking soda.
Okay. And the
Chocolate.
good job. This is milk chocolate. And another. What's this?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. This is dark chocolate. And we are going to add also the
Popcorn.
walnut popcorn. It looks like a popcorn. Yeah, but it's not a popcorn. It's walnut. Say walnut. Walnut.
Walnut.
Okay, so mix this one, baby. Mix this one. Okay. Mix it.
Mix it.
Yeah. Careful.
Yeah,
Let mommy help you. Okay. Just cover
Cover.
all ingredients
Yeah.
with the flour.
Good chicken.
Just need to make sure everything is covered so that we know that when we bake it, it's
Little mice.
balanced.
Little creamer. Little creamer. And mommy, you like a train. Yeah. And you
Kayan, are you ready for the next procedure?
mix.
Yeah, mixing again. This time, we're going to mix the two mixture together. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's start.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to mix this together, the two mixtures, the dry and the wet ingredients. All right.
Oh, I can yourself.
Okay, Kayon, mix it together. Is it hard? Okay, let mommy do it for you. We're going to mix it until there's no
hard?
visible flour.
Yeah.
We don't want to see the flour at all.
Flower all.
Wow, it's so cool. Is it cool?
I am
Can make it?
strong.
You're strong. Are you strong, baby?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you mix this?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
ayan, guys. Nahalo ko na siya. So,
Yeah,
just like that,
so-
guys. Wala lang tayong makitang flour. Don't overdo it. So, okay na yan. We'll move to the next procedure.
Bowl. Do the bowl. And mix
So,
it.
after getting one scoop, guys,
One
we're going to
scoop.
make a ball. We're going to form it into a ball like this. Yan. Then, set that aside.
Ooh.
Everything into a ball like this. And ilalagay ko lang muna siya dyan. Because we're going to
Giant.
put it inside the ref.
And
guys.
giant. Other
Unlike
giant.
last time, di ba, I did not put it inside the ref. This time around,
Put the
I'm
hand.
going to
Wow, so
put it on the ref
deep.
first for siguro mga
Ew, so deep.
after 3 hours
You're
or
so
2
deep,
hours,
so
saka na ako
deep, so
mag-bake. Mamaya na after
Okay.
lunch. Okay? So,
No.
right now,
Right now.
binibilog-bilog ko lang muna siyang ganyan. So, ayun guys. Sinuform ko siya ng ganyan para later, mabilis na lang pag kinuha ko siya. So, ayun guys. Yan lahat yung balls na nagawa natin. So, we're going to put that inside the fridge. Pero syempre, I'm going to cover it naman. Okay, so let's continue guys. Ayan. So, ayan na po yung dough natin after we get it from the fridge. So, Mina lang ngayon guys because Kyle is already asleep. So, he's having his afternoon nap na. So, I am going to do this on my own na from here on. Okay. So, sorry Kaya. You just have to taste mommy's cookies na lang. So, ayan. Kukuha lang po tayo ng So, medyo nahirapan ako guys na kunin yung one piece of the dough na binilog-bilog natin. Kasi, nagdidikit pala siya. So, much better if you put it in a pan na magkakahiwalay sila. So, yun. So, next time. So, but for now, ayan. So, ilalagay ko na lang po dito sa baking pan natin. So, medyo struggle lang yung pagkuha. Medyo flinnatin ko lang siya guys. And I put white chocolate on top. Kasi di ba nga triple chocolate yung gagawin natin. Yung hinalo natin sa dough is the milk chocolate and the dark chocolate. And yan, kaya yan, nilagyan ko on top ng white chocolate. Okay. Let's put it on the oven. I'll have it 250 degrees Celsius 5 minutes. So this is the first batch, guys. Looking good. As usual, we're just going to let it sit. Yan, nakaangat siya, guys. Actually, I'm using yung yan, yung sa aking rice cooker steamer para may butas yung ilalim. Yan, para to allow circulation of the air habang nagpapatanggal ng init yung ating cookies. Habang nagpapalamig siya para hindi siya mag-moist sa ilalim. So, there. So, yan. May nagsabi sa akin, guys, na parang hayaan lang daw siya kahit medyo malambot pa. Kasi nung una, actually guys, after 3 days, medyo matigas na yung cookie ko. Diba, super perfect niyan nung pagkaluto. But, hindi siya the same texture after 3 days. Medyo tumigas na siya agad. It's because, nung tinitry ko siya na medyo malambot pa, pinapasok ko siya ulit sa oven. So, hindi pala dapat ganun. Dapat, parang, stick with the timing. Like, when it's 5 minutes, 5 minutes mo lang talaga siya i-bake. Although medyo malambot pa siya, hayaan mo lang siya kasi pag medyo hindi na siya mainit, it will still be the right texture. Yan, hindi siya titigas kaagad. Okay. I think it's perfect na naman. Perfect yung ilalim niya. Wow, oh look. Diba? Oh, yung milk chocolate, nag-melt siya. Melts in the mouth. Yan. Look guys, parang super okay yung texture niya, oh. So, eto guys, I'm done with my triple chocolate cookies. And as for the taste, yumminess pa rin guys. Kaya lang, personally, I'd still choose yung without cocoa. Yung flour, all-purpose flour lang na cookies. Kasi parang sobrang overwhelming na yung chocolate for me. So, pero if gusto nyo siya, gusto nyo yung mga super chocolatey talaga, this is perfect for you. So, para na siya guys, I think this is more like brownies na. Yun. So, medyo crunchy lang siya than brownies, pero it's like brownies na yung lasa niya. Overall, I still enjoy doing this and it's still yummy. So again, thank you so much guys for joining us in preparing for these cookies. I hope that you'll be inspired to try to make your own cookies very, very soon. Let me know guys if somebody started trying out your own cookies. Comment it down below in our comment box. And thank you so much. See you again next time. Bye.
Thank you. See you on our next vlog.